Hi guys, this is Shaib Mama and welcome to Crypto Mama's channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to update your personal COT report every single week. In my last video, I showed you where to access the report and use it to bold your personal commitment of traders report. If you have not watched that video, you can check for the link in the description of this particular video so you can go check it out on how to bold your report before coming back to watch this one on how to update it every single week. So this is my personal commitment of traders report. This is how my personal report looks like, and this is what I use to do my analysis on. So without wasting my time, let's go straight to the content of this video. All right, for you to build the report, first you need to come to this website, cftc.gov, that is cftc.gov. Then after coming to this website, you come all the way to commitment of traders. Then when you come to commitment of traders, you come to historically compressed. Under the commitment of traders uh, column, you click on historically compressed. When it takes you to historically compressed, you only need the features only report. So you come all the way to this area, features only report. Then after coming here, you come to the year we are looking for. We are looking for 2023. So in this file, you see that every data relating to 2023 from January up to May will be in this particular data here. So we'll be downloading the Excel version of this data. So you click on download, then we wait for the file to get downloaded. When a file is downloaded, to be downloaded as a zip file, so you have to do what? You have to unzip it with any application you have. I'm using WinRAR for my personal use. So I'll be extracting this and I'll be extracting it to a folder called crypto charts. And when you go to the crypto charts, the name of it will be annuals. So I'll go to the folder called crypto charts. It's here, you can see it is annual. So I'll be opening it. Now our report is open. Now we have to do what? We have to cleanse the report, delete so many columns, and leave columns we are going to use to bold our report. So in Basodin, we'll be deleting most of these columns that you don't actually need in your report. So we'll be deleting column B from here. We'll be deleting from column C all the way to column G. We'll delete that one too. Then we'll come column C, that is our non-commercial long positions, we need it. Our non-commercial short positions, we need it. Non-commercial position spread, we don't need it. So we are deleting it. Commercial position longs, for the purpose of my reports, I need it. And commercial position short, I also need it. So, and from here, total reportable position long, I don't need it. So I'll be deleting from column G again, all the way to column AE. Then change in now commercial longs, I need it. Change in now commercial shorts, I need it. And from here, I'll be deleting the remaining that is left. All right, after deleting everything that is left, I'll now have to do what? To sort out the currencies I need to bold my report on. I'll be clicking on sort and filter, and I'll be clicking on filter, and you see the filters will be out. So when the filters are out, the first thing I will do is to come to the report date. You can see the report date column. And I'll click on the filter. And when the filter is out, I'll be unticking January because I already have my January data. I'll be unticking February. I already have my February data. I'll be unticking March. And I'll untick April. And when I come to May, I'll expand May. In May, we only have May 2nd. So far as May data is only May 2nd, and that is what I'm going to build my reports based on. I'll just click OK. When I click OK, it will now sort out the data, leaving only May 2nd data. So from here again, I'll now come to the market section where I will be sorting out the currencies I am going to build my reports based on. So the currencies I will need includes Canadian dollar. So I'll need Canadian dollar. When Canadian dollar is out, I'll click OK. I'll go again. I'll be looking for British pound. Now I'll be untaking this British pound euro and I'll leave only the British pound Chicago mercantile and I'll add it to what current selection or add current selection to filter. So what this basically means that I'm adding what I am selecting right now to what I've already filtered. That is, the British pound should be added to the Canadian dollar I have already filtered. I'll find again. I'll be looking for euro. So when euro comes, I'll untick euro dollar 3 million. I'll untick euro FX British pound exchange rate. I'll leave euro FX Chicago mercantile and I'll untick this and add it to current selection as well. Then I'll be looking for New Zealand dollar, NZ, New Zealand dollar. Now add it to current selection. The next one I'm looking for is Swiss franc. I'll add it to current selection. The next one I am looking for is Japanese yen. So I'll just type yen. I'll untick this Nikkei stock average. Now add it to current selection. The next one I'm looking for is Australian dollar. And I'll add it to current selection. The next one I'm looking for will be gold. So I'm looking for gold. Untick micro gold and add gold commodity exchange to current selection. The next one I'm looking for is Nasdaq. And when Nasdaq is out, I'll untick Nasdaq mini, untick micro e mini, and leave only Nasdaq 100 consolidated and add it to current selection. The next one I'll be looking for is Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is out, I'll untick Bitcoin micro and add Bitcoin Chicago mercantile exchange to current selection. The next one will be USD index. So I will untick USD Malaysian crude palm oil and add USD index ICE features to current selection. I'll make sure they are 11 because I always track 11. So I'll count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So they are the 11 pairs that I need. So here I'll be changing this one to gold. I'll be changing it to gold. I'll change this one to card. I'll change this one to CHF. This one to GBP. This one to JPY. This one to DY. Sorry, this one to DXY. I was coming to say DYDX. You know, my university days calculus is coming back. And this one is Euro. This one to NZD. This one to BTC. This one to NAS. This one to AUD. So this is what I am going to use to build my report. So after changing all this, I will now come back to my reports and I'll go to my info tab where I keep my information. And at the info tab, I'll come to the top. Now select everything at the top. I'll just be inserting 11 rows. The reason why I'm doing this is that I want to keep the format. You know, there are calculations that has been done in this particular sheet, so I don't want to change any formatting. After inserting my 11 rows, I'll go back to my report that I downloaded, and I'll be copying from here all the way to the non-commercial short position where it ends. So I'll be copying column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. I'll copy that one first. Then I'll come over here. Now put my cursor here. The second currency column, I will leave this particular one blank. I'll just paste my data. I'll just put my cursor around here and paste my data. When I paste my data, the calculation that was done on this particular currency column has been auto calculated again. And I'll come back to my sheet again, and I'll be copying commercial longs and commercial short. I'll be copying that data, and I'll come back to where this area is for the commercials. So I'll be pasting that one here, and see it has also been auto calculated. I'll come back to my sheet again, and I'll copy change in commercial longs and change in commercial short. I'll copy it and come to my data and paste it as change in longs and change in short. After everything is pasted, I'll then come to my COT reports, and I'll do what? I'll insert a new row at the top once again. After inserting a new row at the top, I'll select this and drag it to the end and copy it. Now come to the top and paste it. After pasting it, all I need to do now, after pasting it at the top, all I need to do now is to come here and change the date. The date was May 2nd. So I have to change this one to 5 and change this 25th to 2nd. Change 25th to 02. 02. You see, as I've changed the date, you can see the information over here has been changed. And when I select any pair, you can see CHF, that the May 2nd data is updated gold, May 2nd data is updated, DXY is updated, NZD is updated, AUD is also updated, BTC is also updated. Alright, I hope this video helps you in updating your COT report every single week. And thank you for watching this particular video. I'll see you again in another video for us to talk about everything concerning forex and trading. Thank you, and see you.